Ooh, check it out, man. Check out what we got, man. 1969 Chevy, baby. A Chevy Impala. No, not really, not Impala. Bel Air. But still, you know, 69 Chevy Bel Air, man. Come on. You know, how often do you see these in the junkyards? This one, she's pretty rough. She's pretty rough, man. Yeah, 4 doors, you can see. I know. She's a 4-door. I know. Took a nice hit there. Ooh. I wonder, you think he's got that 327 under the hood? I don't know. Side don't look too bad. Yeah. A little dent there, but man, it don't look too bad. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's good, at least for a driver. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's at least good for a driver. That grill's cracks in it. Oh, I see a T3 there. Oh, only one T3. That hood is actually don't look too bad. This bumper, I mean this fender sucks. No disc brakes. That sucks. Oh yeah, she got that right there. It's a little damaged by the yard, I'm pretty sure, with the forklifts. I think the windshield's good. Windshield looks good. Pick up. We'll go around with the hood in a second. Door's got issue there, obviously, and it won't open because of the fender there. Obviously, you can tell right here. That's there. That'd be your forklift. Top still looks good. No hail damage. Got some rust in the quarters right there and there, right over here as well. What she got? A pretty. It's a 10 bolt. You can see it's a 10 bolt, but got the 2 instead of the 3 taillights in the bumpers, indicating a Bel Air. Got a dent here on this side. I guess it's a split bumper, right? You could split it. You could put it 2 pieces. Am I right on this? Looks like it. Or maybe, yeah. Still, you know, for a driver, not bad, man. Not bad. In the trunk, just junk. Valve covers. Actually, I've seen a lot worse. Yeah, she's crusty, but I've definitely seen worse. How are the channels on this one? A little bit issues. Yeah, she got issues up here. That's where all this right here. See all that right there where it rests up on it? Luckily, it didn't get it on this, because it could probably drain a little better. But yeah, they probably that water collected, all that moisture collected along there, and really did a number to it. I don't know what they were doing. They were spraying foam in here. Maybe they had a system, or we're going to put a system in here, trying to keep it from rattling. So they cut this off. I mean, other than that, suck my, you know what. She appeared to have been like this beige color. Still got the Chevrolet emblem over there. Yeah, I think she got rust all on the edge here. I can see the rust. Still, for a driver, if I didn't have anything better, I'd use it. Let's go around the other way. Like I said, this bumper, this fender's toast. Oh, got the old Supremes, man. Who remember the Supremes, man? Old school, man. Old school, more lowriders used to love these. Kind of still do. Trim looks okay. I think all the glass is good on this one. But it being a sedan, a four-door sedan, I mean, you know, a lot of people are like, yeah, it's a parts car. Moldy old cigarette butts. Oh, we got somebody puffing on the black a mile. Yeah, I like the patterns on this. I like that fabric. What we got on the floor here? Some lug nuts. Anything cool of interest underneath here? We got a Magnum. Ugh. A wrapper. Condom wrapper. Headlight. Head. Oh man, I've got my bad. Let me hold on a second. I gotta take this off. Yeah, this is. I had my damn light on, man. Headrests are gone on this bench seat. So I don't want to open because of the. Let me see if I can get it open this way. It's probably not gonna. No, I'm gonna end up destroying. Really thinning it all up, even more than it is now. Sucks. It does suck. Can I kind of squeeze in here a little bit? Oh man, I can't. Damn it. It's not gonna. Well, let me see if I can kind of crawl in a little bit from here, from the back. Ugh. Oh, I think I see is that the emblem for the front on the Chevrolet emblem up there for the hood? Ooh, that's a nickel. Oh crap. Messed up that steering column. Yeah, that liner's ripped. Yep. Come back over here. What's that? Oh, radio. Somewhere. I don't think that's the radio of this car, though. Take a look underneath real quick. There's something I could use here. Oh well, screw it. Underneath, you had the little dual exhaust going on. Floors don't look too bad, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Rockers don't look too bad either. Yeah, I've seen a lot worse. Wait, hold on a second. You know, I always used to think this was bull crap. I thought it was like staged, but evidently, yeah, some people like, screw it, man, we'll just put the wood up in there. That'll help. I got them on both sides. I can see these. You know, wood. But maybe they just, you know, did it while they needed to move it around, maybe. Come on, I don't think they did it while they were trying to drive the car. All right. Ain't gonna make fun of them, man. I ain't gonna pass judgment. Anyways. Oh, that hinge is messed up, man. Did it damage this part of the hood? It may have. She's got Bondo here. Oh, this hood's got Bondo right here in this area. Yeah. Shoot, I'd probably still take it, man, if I needed one. Shoot. Got your little small block Chevy with the chrome valve covers. Get a little arm here. Non-air. Lovely. Lovely. Central to South Texas. No AC. That's lovely. Heck yeah, man. Must be nice. That's pretty clean, right? 2-barrel. See if you can see the well, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Huh? Did I, can you see the VIN there? I think you can see it, right? Yeah, you can see that VIN, right? Yeah, it looks pretty good. I know I can see it. Oh, I see the... I wonder if that's any good. Let me see if I can reach in there and get it. Come on! It's like stuck, man. Oh, there she is. What was that? Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh. Okay. Alright. Chevy. Oh, crap. You gotta be careful, man. That's why you sign the waiver there in case you bust your ass and get hurt. So that's it, man. There she is. 1969 Chevy Bel Air. End of the road for this one. Let me close that door. Take this off here. Let's see how she looks this way. Yeah, not bad. Alright, man. On to the next one.